Today we're gonna be going to Nami Island, and it is DIY, do it yourself, because we didn't want to do all the things that was included in the tour, and also it's just nice to explore on your own. So come join us during this adventure. It's my outfit for the day. Bye! Currently at Gapyeong station, and from here it's 9 stops until we change to another station. We're just taking the trains all the way, right?
Yeah.
This way. So we just reached Gapyeong station, and from here you can either take the bus or the taxi. The bus had a 20-minute wait, and we decided to just take the taxi because we're already hungry. We paid 5,000 Korean won for the taxi to take us to the ticketing office to cross to Nami Island, which is a good deal. The whole trip from Myeongdong to Gapyeong took about 2 hours, and we only missed one train, which is not bad. So overall it was a good idea to do DIY, especially if you don't want to wake up too early in the morning. We left the hotel at around 11 a.m. and the whole trip was made possible by Naver Maps. It tells you which station to go, which exit to go off. It will also show you different prices and different alternative routes to take, depending on your current location. Gonna get the ticket from the machine. English.
완성과 분량을 선택하시고 화면 하단에 열쇠 버튼을 눌러주세요.
Got the ticket and my change. That's very easy. Let's go. We are now queuing to get into the ferry. We paid 16,000 won each, and that includes round-trip ride with the ferry. By the way, just before entering, you will see a sign, Visa Entry and Immigration Office. That's just a gimmick. Does not mean you need a visa to enter. It just means they want your ticket fee. That's it, really. Yay! We made it! Whee!
Yay! Namiiiiii!
The ferry ride was only 5 minutes. If you're feeling a little bit more adventurous, you can zip line down to the island.
Yeah, over the water.
Yes, so cool. Now we're off to find Korean barbecue because I am starving. Right?
It was a long train.
Yes.
Yeah. It's Tiffany in a happy place.
Hi, say hi. What up, Lynn? Guys, look! It's the river and the trees. It's starting to change color. So nice! There's a cafe in the island and they have trees that already turned brown. I want to take photos. So nice. Ah! Guys, look! This is the place where they shot the famous Winter Sonata. Guys, look what we found. UK and Philippines together.
Like us, baby.
Yes! Cute. Nami is so beautiful. Everywhere you look is straight out from a postcard. I highly recommend you guys come and spend a day here. It's so nice. The vibe is vibing in here. And it's just nice to bike around, sit somewhere and just enjoy the scenery. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna head back to Seoul now. That's another 2-hour commute. Should be interesting. Anyway, if you have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next vlog. Bye!